Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin tong lab na blind SQL injection with out-of-band data exfiltration. Okay? So, itong lab na to ay almost same lang sa lab na out-of-band interaction, no? Ang pinagkaibahan lang is mag-exfiltrate tayo ng data, no? So sabi dito, the database contains a different table called users with columns called username and password. You need to exploit blind SQL injection vulnerability to find out the password of the administrator user. To solve the lab, log in as the administrator user. So, again, itong lab na to ay para lang sa mga merong Burp Pro and hindi to gagana kapag gumamit kayo ng sarili nyo. So, let's load the lab. And just for the sake of time and explanation, kukunin ko na yung payload ng previous lab natin. So kapag hindi nyo pa napapanood yung explanation sa previous videos ko, panoorin nyo yun and in detail ko naman in-explain kung ano yung meaning ng payload. Okay? So for now, ito yung previous payload natin. And ito na yung gagamitin natin as a baseline ng magiging payload natin. No? So, una, intercept natin muna. So, intercept. And there. Send ko to repeater para ma-investigate natin and i-copy paste natin yung ating payload from one of our previous videos. Okay? So let's confirm kung gumagana ba tong payload and let's hit send. So check natin sa collaborator. And there you go. As you can see, gumagana yung ating payload, no? So nag-DNS lookup siya sa ating domain, no? Burp Suite subdomain. So ngayon, ang kailangan na lang natin gawin is i-extend yung idea, no? So ang pwede natin gawin is i-query natin, okay? I-query natin as a subdomain ng Burp Suite subdomain na to yung gusto natin na output, no? And how do we do that? So gagawin natin yon by using concatenation, no? So concatenate natin. So close natin. Then pipe for concatenate, then select, then encode ko na, select password from users, yan yung table natin, then sabihin natin na where username equals administrator, no? So very specific naman, administrator. And then huwag nating kalimutan na i-concatenate back yung ating output, no? Kaya meron tayong double pipes here and double pipes here, no? So binabalance lang natin. So ang mangyayari dito is yung ating subdomain na ito, ang mangyayari dyan is yung output ng query natin dot yung ating subdomain, no? So makukuha natin yung output ng query natin. And let's send this. Tignan natin kung gagana. So, send to collaborator, 200 okay. Tignan natin kung gumana yung payload natin. So, hindi gumana yung payload natin. Let's see kung anong error. So, probably kasi hindi tayo nag-encode ng characters, which is probably itong equals. So, control U natin ulit. Let's encode and let's send again. 200 okay. So, sobra pala tayo dito ng isang parenthesis, no? So, let's delete that. And let's resend. Then, check natin sa collaborator ulit. Ayun, meron na. So, ngayon, nakita natin na yung ating password ay na-concatenate dun sa ating subdomain. No? So, alam natin na yung 389 blah blah blah, ito yung ating subdomain. So, itong hanggang 5H, ito yung password ng administrator. No? So, let's copy this. And log in tayo dun sa application. So, my account, administrator, and paste the password. So, ayan. Gumagana yung payload natin and we have solved the lab. Okay? So, I hope naintindihan nyo to. Kung hindi, balikan nyo yung previous video kasi nag-skip na ako konti. Pero dun, in-explain ko yung payload natin. Okay? And dito, in-expand ko lang yung application ng ating payload. Okay? So, see you in the next video.